Today, we're diving into the VIVOSUN durable waterproof seedling heat mat, designed to create the perfect environment for seedlings and cuttings. This professional-grade heat mat maintains temperatures ideal for germination, between 68-86 degrees Fahrenheit, 20-30 degrees Celsius, ensuring your plants get the warm start they need. Made from high-quality PVC, it's not only durable, but also resistant to wear, promising long-lasting use. What sets this mat apart is its advanced far-infrared heating technology, which provides stable and uniform heat distribution. This technology prevents overheating and ensures that your plant roots are safe from scorching, even when used with a humidity dome. The IP67 waterproof surface adds convenience, allowing easy cleaning without the risk of water damage. With dimensions of 10 inches by 20.75 inches, this mat fits standard 10-20 trays perfectly, making it versatile for various indoor gardening setups. Operating at just 20 watts, it's energy efficient, helping you save on electricity bills. Beyond gardening, it's suitable for home brewing and terrarium warming, adapting to different indoor needs. For optimal use, VIVOSUN recommends pairing it with their thermostat controller and humidity dome. The mat's ability to reach temperatures up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Celsius, within minutes, under ambient conditions of 68-77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20-25 degrees Celsius, makes it a reliable choice for hobbyists and professional gardeners alike. Whether you're starting a herb garden or nurturing delicate plants, the VIVOSUN heat mat offers consistent warmth and durability to support healthy growth indoors.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.